Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an email alias on Outlook so you can manage multiple email addresses from one single inbox in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access your Microsoft account settings. The first step is moving from the Outlook inbox to your core account management page, where your primary identity is stored. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Outlook dashboard and select My Microsoft Account. Once the new page loads, click on the Your Info tab in the left navigation bar. In 2026, an alias isn't just a folder, it's a secondary identity tied to your main Microsoft ID. Accessing Your Info ensures you are making changes at the root level, allowing your new alias to work across all Microsoft 365 apps, not just your web browser. Next, add a new email alias. Now that you are in your account settings, you can define exactly what your new email address will look like. Scroll down to the Account Info section and click the Edit Account Info. Click the Add Email link. You can choose to create a new email address using @outlook.com or add an existing email address from another provider. This is the core setup. In 2026, Outlook allows you to have up to 10 aliases per year. Creating a new one here means you can have a professional address and a shopping address while only having to remember one password for the entire account. And that's pretty much it. To set an email alias in 2026, navigate to your Microsoft Account Info via your profile picture, click Edit Account Info to add your new address. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.